In manufacturing, quick and effective communication keeps everything running smoothly. Whether it's a medical emergency, approaching severe weather, a production issue, or an unwanted intruder, if information can't be shared easily, people in operations can be at risk. That's why manufacturers rely on InformaCast and Visitor Aware from Singlewire Software to help streamline daily tasks, detect threats, notify everyone, and manage incidents. At the front desk, Visitor Aware enables receptionists to quickly check in guests, verifying visitor identities, presenting terms guests must accept before entering, and creating a digital log to easily see who is within a building at any time. Inside the facility, InformaCast connected sensors alert plant managers the moment an urgent event occurs. From hazardous spills that can cause injury and severe weather that threatens production, to eyewash station activations and open AED cabinets, when a sensor is tripped, the plant manager is notified immediately. Across the floor, InformaCast connected panic buttons give team members the power to call for help the moment they need it. When something does go wrong, alerts are sent instantly through audio, text, and intrusive lighting, so everyone knows what the emergency is and what to do to stay safe, even in noisy environments. And when an alert is triggered, safety teams can act fast, coordinating a response that keeps people safe, operations moving, and organizations in compliance with OSHA regulations. But InformaCast isn't just for emergencies. Everyday communications like shift changes, IT issues, leaks and spills, and simple health and safety reminders can all be sent through InformaCast, reaching more people more quickly to minimize confusion and maximize efficiency. Whether you're looking to enhance safety and communication at one building or an entire campus, solutions from Singlewire Software are here to help manufacturers get the most out of their operation.